Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. People always ask me, what does a typical day of a hair transplant exist of? It doesn't matter if you're coming in for an FUE, Follicular Unit Extraction, or an FUT, Follicular Unit Transplant. What does a day entail? First thing you do, you come to the office, you're greeted, you fill out some paperwork. Once you've completed the paperwork, I'll bring you into the room where I go ahead and draw out the hairline to your liking. I will never dictate what your hairline should be. I will recommend, I'll give you my 2 cents, but you'll at the end of the day tell me if you want it higher, lower, more to the left, more to the right, and then I go ahead and abide by what you want, as long as you don't go ahead and bring it all the way down to your eyebrows. After I've drawn out the hairline, we clean up the area, get rid of the fuzzy hairs, and we go into the procedure room where we'll numb you up with similar medicine to what the dentist uses if you've ever had a cavity filled. So that is the worst part. It does feel like bad bee stings, but it takes about 5 or 10 minutes to numb you up. But once you're numbed up, you won't feel anything the rest of the procedure. At that point, if you're going for the FUE procedure, we will go ahead and start punching out small little holes. If you go for the FUT procedure, we'll make the incision and cut out a strip of tissue. And if we need a lot of tissue, we'll go for a second or third piece of tissue. Once we've gone ahead and removed the tissue, we suture the skin back together, leaving a fine pencil line scar, take a few minute break, and then we go ahead and make the sites, depending on how many hair follicles we were able to retrieve from either the FUE or the FUT. Once we've made all the sites, we'll go ahead and implant the tissue, the hair follicles back into the small little holes. Procedures itself take approximately 4 to 5 hours. You're awake, watching TV, listening to music, watching Netflix. When we're done, we go over the full discharge instructions, and then you go back to your house or back to the hotel. Why should you choose Natural Transplants? Because this is what we do every single day, Monday through Friday. We don't go ahead and do any other form of cosmetic procedures. We're not going to go ahead and sell you shampoos. We do hair transplants. This is what we've been specializing in for more than 10 years here at Natural Transplants. So if you have any questions, I'm Dr. Siegel. Call us here at Natural Transplants. Would love to answer any questions that you have.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.